Hi everyone, I am Rajesh Kumar. I am a certified research analyst and a technical analyst. I am an investor as well as a trader. I am in this business for almost 2 years. Today is my second video. We will get into technical analysis and the subject will be moving averages. So what are the charts to be used on different types of trades? We'll go along with that one and then we'll use the moving averages on those charts. Intraday we can use 5 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 minutes charts. Swing we can use 30-minute charts, 60-minute charts. Positional we can use daily charts. For portfolio we can use daily or weekly charts. In technical analysis there is a proverb, chart is a treasure map. So who knows to read the chart will get the treasure. Important, always use stop loss for all trades. This is my advice to everyone. So in technical analysis today we will see moving averages. I'll give you a few methods on moving averages which I use. There are many categories in moving averages, like simple moving averages, exponential moving averages, etc. I always use exponential moving averages for different periods on different charts. Example, I use 5 EMA, 10 EMA, 20 EMA, 60 EMA, 200 EMA. Exponential moving average is EMA, exponential moving average. So EMA. SMA is simple moving average. So this is the thing. Normally most of the moving averages catch 60 to 70% moving trends. In intraday I use 10 and 20 EMAs. Normally entry is based on crossover, but for practical use, for exit you have to look for some other technicals. Only then you can earn maximum profits or more profits. So for entry we will use moving average crossover, and for exit we can use other technicals. Even for the exit other technicals I'll give you some examples in this video. So we'll go for today's practical session, like how it will go, like how to use EMAs. Okay, and this is the chart normally I use, and we'll go for Nifty, and we can change intervals here. In the right bottom we have daily, and you can have 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30, 60, and most of you who are already in use, you know all these things. And this is for 5-day data, 30-day data, and daily, weekly, all these charts. First we'll go for intraday chart, wherein I normally use 5-day chart, 5-minute chart, sorry. So this is the 5-minute chart of Nifty future. Okay, and I'll use 5-day data, so I get all these things. Now what I do is I'll show you how to add EMAs. Normally you can right click, go to add study, and you can add. Otherwise you have shortcuts here, tools, here study, so you directly get study. Here you can see accumulation, distribution zone, volume, ADX, ATR, average. So click on average. So there are different types of moving averages, simple, exponential, all this stuff. I normally use exponential, so we'll go get into practical thing. I don't know how others use, and I use exponential. So I give you those strategies which I use normally. Exponential, then I use 5 day period, that is 5 days period, and we'll color it. Okay, I'll use blue. You may ask why 5 days period. I am using 5 days period. It is so because in a week we have only 5 trading sessions, so I use 5 days. For 2 weeks we have only 10 working days. So for that, I'll use what color? What color will be good? Pink, probably dark pink. Apply. Okay, this is the thing. So okay, this is the thing. So you can see the intraday activity of each 5-minute candle as well as the moving averages. So crossover, what is crossover? 5-minute moving average crossing over 10-minute moving average. Least EMA crossing the highest EMA. For example, 510, so 5 should cross over 10. If it is 1020, 10 should cross over 20, like that. So here you can see 5-minute moving average crossing over 10 moving average. So this is the place where we have to get into trade. So another thing is, this time if it is moving here and the next 5-minute candle, you have to get into entry here for a trade. For an example, you are entering here at 10, you can see the time here, 14:10 approximately. If you are getting into trade 14:05 to 14:10, approximately 10,495, 10,495, and you can wait here, and I suppose we are here. I will show you the exit point also. So we have entered at 495 and we would have come out at approximately 525. So 30 points in an intraday, which is almost 2,100 rupees, 2,000 odd, I don't know. After brokerage and all this stuff, you will be getting some reasonable amount. 30 points on Nifty future intra is good one. So this is the one for intra I use, and for positional and I use 20 and 60 EMAs. Even that we'll see how it works. Average, I'll go for EMA, I'll go for 20, same thing, I'll have a thicker one. I'll apply. So this is 20 EMA. Again I'll go for 60 EMA. We'll color it in a different way, like same. Apply. Okay, and the process is the same. That is intra and this is position. You can see how this is working fine. So here is the entry point. Approximate here is the entry point where the crossover is happening. So if you had entered 8,370, 8,400 range, and in the positional way, you don't have to come out, because every future month expiry you can roll over. If it is January end, you should have you can buy February month expiry, and now if February month expiry has finished, and you would have bought March, like that. So you can roll over your every expiry day, you can roll over your futures. So you don't have to come out, because still the crossover is there and nothing has come out. So you can carry on all these things until you get some indication that it is going to go down. As far as this thing is concerned, there is nothing which has come down, and only now current place it is there. So it shows as of now this is the place where it happens, meets, and it is not crossing down. So this is how entry we can get into. And there is one more thing generally in the market, golden crossover. I'll show that one also. Golden crossover is nothing but simple moving averages 50 and 200. I'll use that one also and show it to you how normal those things work. Simple and 50. We'll use the same colors. So once you use the same colors, then you'll in any chart, any pattern, you'll know that lower EMA is crossing the higher EMA, and you will find it easy. You'll get used to those things. So make it a regular color. Okay, and this is thing. See, the crossover is happening here in the same Nifty chart. At which place? Where is the car? Here it is happening here, and you are getting an entry where? Here, 8,000, almost 9,000. You are getting entry here, but whereas in exponential we got the entry here itself, 8,700. Sorry, 8,400 somewhere here. So in exponential you get entry very fast, and in simple you will get entry very slow, and you can see the end here. Still it is this has a lot of gap between the average lines, and whereas in exponential it is little bit fast, and you saw that this difference is very near. So entry and exit, this will give you very slow, and that will be exponential will be little bit faster. That is the difference. And we'll go to the next one, how we can exit from the trade if this is the scenario. Okay, and the thing is, we'll start with intra probably. Intra, I'll use 5-minute chart. Okay, I'll add moving averages 5 exponential now. So I have to change the exponential one also. I'll use blue, apply, and the second one I'll use exponentials 10. For that I'll use another color, so which I regularly use. I'll just put on. This is a very simple strategy which for a novice trader they can use it. And this is the thing. For this we have an entry, we got an entry here, and the exit only we get it here, so we lose lot of points here. You can see the difference between the exit and the entry. So for this, what we can do is we can add one more study. It is called as PSAR, and this is just an education purpose. You can add your own tools and indicators to enhance better trading. For example, I am using this PSAR. PSAR is parabolic stop and reserve, which is a trending tool used for stop loss and trailing stop loss. Okay. I'll use red color itself. Okay, I'll use, sorry. But I'll use dark color. Okay, apply. So the chart is making a different thing. Wait, I'll clear the PSAR. So So we can add on PSAR. There are a lot of indicators you can see: MACD histogram, pivot study, PSAR, all these things. Okay, we got it. Okay, so this is the thing. So actually we got an entry here, and you can take this dot, this PSAR point, as the stop loss. You can take this as the stop loss once you get an entry here. 10:4:45 you get an entry in this 5-minute chart and this time frame, and your thing is you are getting a stop loss also. So once this is going here and you find it in a different path, this changes colors and it returns to sell mode, this 5-minute chart. So once this comes here and this is coming nearing here, and you can sell it here. So approximately you are getting some 30 points approximately based on this. If you are going for a short here, since this has turned, crossover has turned for a short mode, if this is coming here, you can take this as a, if you are applying here, then that is the stop loss. So this is how you can trade in a 5-minute chart, and in any chart you can trade with PSAR and moving average. This is one of the simplest strategy which novice traders can use. So you can see here there is no crossover, there is small crossover but not much, and if you want you can add here itself, or once you get a thing you can get into entry here, short with a stop loss here. So if you are in a short here approximately 510, you can wait here. Once the thing is turning back, you can exit here. So 510 to 85 approximately, same 25 points. So this is how you can use this strategy. You can save this strategy in a template. For intraday you can use 5-10 exponential moving averages with PSAR, and the same way you can use for positional also, but you have to change this thing into in the daily chart you have to change this to 20 EMA and 60 EMA. So same PSAR you can use for long term also, for positional or portfolio, all this stuff you can use all those things. Anyways, I think I have given a short strategy which I am using and which I was using for novice traders, and when I was using as a novice, and this would help you with minimum loss and minimum profit. Anyways, hope you like this small strategy in technicals. Happy trading and investing. Thank you. Bye bye.